Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we've got something absolutely thrilling to talk about. The 2025 revival of the iconic 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 55 Big Block in all its red glory. This classic muscle car has been reimagined for today's drivers, combining vintage charm with modern performance. So let's dive in and take a closer look at this stunning piece of automotive history. First up, the exterior. When you see this car, there's no mistaking it. The bold, aggressive lines and the wide stance of the Chevelle 55 demand attention. The red color? It's vibrant, almost electric, perfectly capturing the essence of muscle car aesthetics. The front end is dominated by that signature menacing grille, paired with dual headlights that scream classic design while bringing that nostalgic muscle car look back to life. The chrome accents on the bumpers and the wheels, they just shine under the sun, adding a touch of refinement to the raw power it represents. It's a car that blends old-school styling with modern finishes, making sure heads turn wherever it goes. Moving inside, you'll find the Chevelle's cabin is a perfect mix of retro vibes and contemporary comfort. The seats are leather, yet they have that vintage look and feel, embracing you in a way only muscle cars can. You've got that classic three-spoke steering wheel, but with a little added technology under the hood, like modern infotainment systems integrated into the dashboard without sacrificing the classic look. The materials are top-notch, with attention to detail that screams premium, yet it still carries that unnostalgic car aesthetic. There's a good mix of nostalgia here, but it's clear that Chevrolet has ensured comfort with a bit of modern flair. Under the hood, the Chevelle 55 is powered by a beast, the legendary Big Block V8 engine. This thing roars to life, delivering an exhilarating 450 horsepower, making sure you've got enough raw power to match the car's aggressive looks. The engine's performance is as smooth as it is loud, with impressive acceleration that can send you flying from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. The exhaust note is pure muscle car perfection, loud, throaty, and unmistakable. The handling has been fine-tuned to keep that classic muscle car feel, but with improved suspension, ensuring you get a ride that's both thrilling and stable. When it comes to pricing, the 20251970 Chevrolet Chevelle 55 Big Block isn't exactly cheap. But then again, you're paying for the combination of history, performance, and craftsmanship. Expect to see this beauty starting at around $75,000, with higher trims pushing past the $85,000 mark. But for a car that delivers the perfect blend of nostalgia, design, and modern performance, it's worth every penny. And considering the limited nature of this revival, it's bound to hold its value, if not increase as the years go on. So, there you have it, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 55 Big Block, an incredible tribute to an iconic muscle car with the added benefits of modern technology and performance. Whether you're a collector or a pure driving enthusiast, this car checks all the right boxes. What do you think of the Chevelle's comeback? Would you take it for a spin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, keep those engines revving.